This video will serve as a tutorial for how to sign up for a free account on the Bumblebee Watch website. The first step will be to select Sign Up in the top right of the home page. On the next page, you'll continue setting up your account by including a username and password. These should be easy to remember, and you might want to write them down so you remember them later. You'll then include an email. This should be one that you regularly check because it will be used to correspond with Bumblebee Watch experts. It will also be kept private. You'll then include your first name, your last name, and then information about your general geographic location. This will be used to help experts pinpoint your sighting in the event that it's not included in your original submission. You will then select a box once you've read the terms and conditions, and you then have the opportunity to decide if you want to receive their e-newsletter. For project, select Southwest Michigan Bee Watch, so your sightings will automatically upload to our project. Finally, select Sign Up.